Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, like it or hate it, the new Outlook for Windows is here to stay. And as I have mentioned on the channel, the new Outlook will replace the mail and calendar apps in Windows by the end of this year, 2024, and in the coming years will eventually replace the classic Outlook with the new Outlook. Now, in regards to Microsoft having a new Outlook and a classic Outlook, there's been a bit of confusion apparently that some users have been facing if they have both installed on the same device. Where if we head over to a screenshot provided by the good folks over at GX, because I don't have classic Outlook installed on any of my Windows devices, I just have the new Outlook for the purpose of this channel. Apparently having two Outlook entries on the same computer is causing a bit of confusion for some folks because they are very similar. So especially if you are not that technically inclined, you may not know which one to actually choose. So because of this, Microsoft now has rolled out a new update for the classic Outlook, where it's now going to add the word classic next to the older classic Outlook, and then obviously we get Outlook new. So hopefully this update should clear up a little bit of confusion. And obviously the classic Outlook was just named Outlook up until this recent update. So I'm just putting it out there, small little change, but just putting it out there to keep you guys posted if you have been affected by this. And obviously with this name change, it's a clear indication that Microsoft will eventually deprecate the classic Outlook. And as I've mentioned previously, the classic Outlook won't be deprecated until at least 2029. And I had posted a whole video on that, and I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. So that's good news if you are still on the classic Outlook. You've got a couple of years left, but eventually it will be replaced by the new Outlook as mentioned. So this little update is a clear indication that it's going to go away eventually at some point. And it also seems very likely that when the classic Outlook is eventually deprecated, possibly in 2029, Microsoft will also remove the new from the new Outlook's so-called name and just call it Outlook, because obviously it would have replaced the classic Outlook. But I'm just bringing this small little change to your attention if you were affected, and just to keep you posted and in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.